So I got an LG on the rack here. I'm going to fix the rear track bar. So I did a 7/16 hole, a 1-inch hole, and a 1 1/16. So I got this plate I got all cut out, punched in the Edwards iron worker. It's going right here. And this factory bracket has a little bend in it. So I'm gonna take it over to the multi-angle brake, the 4-way die, and see if I can put a little bend in it. So you can always bend it more. Let's go check this and see what it looks like. Looks like it's gonna fit pretty good. Got this plate all welded in that I made with the Edwards ironwork. Next plate I'm gonna have to break, I think, in 3 spots here. That should finish this piece up. Let's go check it out. I'm liking it. Fixed, V'd out, welded up, made a bunch of plates to strengthen it, and guys shouldn't have a problem. Use the Edwards iron worker to fabricate all this: coper notcher, multi-shear, press brake attachment, hole punch, corner rounder. Kind of threw everything it had on it, and turned out great.